hi, it's your girl Kanyisile M for Wanted, and I'm back again with another banger. But today I'm at a different event, an event filled with lovely people, an event about gym and exercise, about lifestyle as well, about health as well. So I have a lovely mother here, and she'll tell us her name and why she's here today.
Okay, thank you so much, Sisi. You're so beautiful. I love your energy. Hi guys, my name is Asanda Sinim Zogolo, mother of two handsome boys. I've got a background of a Brook financial advisor, but today it's not about me. It's about the event that I've attended here at Savoy Hotel, where Sizo Gazimbogodu was our special guest speaker. And my takeaway from this event is one, as this lady mentioned, that you need not to limit your capabilities, and that kept echoing in my mind even now, that sometimes we tend to limit ourselves, the way we think, our mindsets. And so taking this with me as to go back to my dreaming board again and my vision board again, not to limit my capabilities. So yeah, that's about it. Don't I learn to have another question?
Thank you so much. I would like to ask.
Okay.
A lovely lady like you. You look amazing, and I'm guessing you're not E2K. Are you E2K?
Hell no, I'm not a 2K. By the way, my son is turning 17 this year, and the other one is turning 13 this year.
Okay.
So I've got two boys, two handsome boys. They will kill me if I don't mention they're handsome.
Exactly. Guys, like she's mentioned, guys, she's a 1K. Guys, guys, guys,
Like it's lagging.
you get me, do you get me?
And guess what, guys? Just that I'm wearing this dress. Otherwise, I've got a shoulder to cry on.
Oh, yes. Guys, ndiphinde ndabuya. Ndiniphathele omnye usisi omhle. Omile kakuhle. Ogqoke kahle. I mean, guys, I told you guys, but this is what a fashion. I mean, oh guys, cela umdressiseni umhle lo sisi guys, umile nakakuhle. Sisi wami, cela igama lakho.
Hi Lavi, igama lam ndinguyonela Bayi, all the way from iDutywa. I am a wellness coach, a Herbalife distributor. Started Herbalife 5 years ago. I wanted something to manage my weight from 98 kgs. Now I'm sitting at 68. I feel amazing.
Clock it.
Yeah.
Clock it. Guys, guys, anything is possible at this point. Anything is possible with Herbalife. Be it you want to gain weight or you want to lose weight. Please correct me if I'm wrong. That wants to maintain weight. You guys have all products as bed for his skin, for the weight, for there's something that he or she can take for to manage that weight or body.
Oh, okay. I-products zethu ziyasebenza for i-body goals as different.
Okay.
Whether you want to lose weight, you want to gain weight, you want to build muscle, or you want energy.
Okay.
Sinazo zonke i-products neze skin ngoku, and we have a new skin range, Korean skin range.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
senza kakhulu.
Okay, so nomana new ranges, ne? Like Korean range. What's so different about Lena to esbenina ekuqaleni?
Okay, azikho different kangako zibufana, but it's just that i-brands zazo different.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes. Ine-serum, umzekelo besinayo i-serum gleyana, besinayo i-serum glena. Sinayo i-serum glena intsha, but ke ngoku azifani i-texture yazo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Guys, nizivele from Sizo Omhle. Guys, ndifuna akasha i-turn around eyedwa. Nimbone ba umhle kanjani. Thank you so much, Swamengos.
Thank you so much.
Guys, I'm still here at the event here at Herbalife. I'm with Bhuti. Kuthiwa ke apha Millionaires Group, am I mistaken? Millionaire team, yes. Guys, also introducer and usixela bana ufike njani kule ndawo xa sendicinga when I first heard this bana kuthiwa i-millionaires team ndicime mna kubhuti i-millionaire uqobo so he's going to introduce himself and ufike njani kule position akuyo.
Thank you very much, Debulele. Yeah, my name is Luyo Lobachise. It's through, I got to Millionaire Team through obviously peaks and valleys, meaning I actually put a lot of hard work in growing the business. It's all about helping people get in shape, at the same time, we obviously get compensated by the company by doing that, you know?
Yes.
So yeah, I helped a lot of people for many years. You understand?
alright,
eh?
alright.
So yeah, and I still do so. I still help a lot of people get in shape, feel confident. Because it's all about vitality, man. You know, if vitality is all about, living a healthy lifestyle, that becoming your whole entire lifestyle, you know. Yeah, and I'm grateful for achieving this level. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Ndiyakuva nje uthetha ukuthi ubana you were helping a lot of people, but throughout this business, do you feel like you've helped yourself enough?
Yeah, most definitely. Yeah, like initially I started this business to help myself in terms of obviously
Yeah.
finances, because it's business, you end up making money, but the process changes like along the line, you know. Then your purpose changes. Okay, it's not about you anymore, it's about helping other people, feel confident and help others make money, because this is network marketing, you make money by helping other people make money. It's that simple.
All right. Thank you. And guys, suddenly by this podcast is about a lot of things: lifestyle, culture, fashion, and about being modest. Udripile, guys. Udripile, guys, from toe all the way to the head. I'm sure, bana. Hey, so if you don't, so please, just for satisfaction of the viewers, please tell me who dressed you today. Like, all those things.
Are we doing that?
Yes, we are.
Like,
just in case.
OOTD,
Uchane yona, the OOTD uzochoba nesihlangu from where? Just in case mhlawumbe ukhona umuntu who is inspired by the way he's dressed, ozofuna ubona I wonder lo bhuti uthenge iphi isihlangu sakhe. I mean, nami ndiyasifuna. So please help.
Imagine I've never done this before. No,
There's a first time for everything.
You must call it peace language. Let's stop at the shoe. The loafer, I got it from Fabiani. It's a Fabiani loafer.
Clock it.
Yeah, and mostly Zara.
Zara. Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Even the hat
yeah,
is.
yeah.
Oh, guys, you got it, guys. You guys got it. Most of his clothes are from Zara, and the shoes, the loafers, are from Fabian. Guys, udripile wow. The best. Thank you so much, Puliyolo, for taking this mini interview. I appreciate your time. Thank you. When you go corner, guys. Guys, I go shy lo bhuti. Cabe camera like. And mhlawumbe ikhona sixolele noba naku10 enengxaki necamera. Bhuti wami, cela uzintroduce. Ungubani, uwaphi?
Oh, okay, hi. Ndikubhuti Shy, Uluzuko Shode ne, ngowasebhayi.
Mkhaya.
Yes, with a background of an engineer,
Alright.
technician. And as a Herbalife, I'm a Herbalife distributor. Started my journey with Herbalife 5 to 6 years ago.
Alright.
Still excited till this day.
Alright. It sounds like you enjoying your time. Or kule business lane. Like you said, you're an engineer, but you in this business. I would like to know, is it a full-time or part-time business? Or how is it managing your engineering business with this side hustle?
Okay, basically, I'm an employee of the Department of Transport, and Herbalife remains a very, very part-time. But it's how serious, because the mindset is there, right? So in the morning, I'll do my workouts, normal routine. Later in the afternoon after work, I'll focus on my business. So that's how I do business, yeah.
All right. Okay. It seems like you started this at a young age. What would you say to a young man that's looking to do this but is shy? Like Puliyolo mentioned earlier, quick presentation, this looks a bit too feminine in Herbalife. What would you say to a young man who wants to join this business but is hesitant because of being it being too feminine?
The interview is serious, boss. So I think basically, man, if this is something that you are looking for, let's say, who wants to work on your body, fitness, or that wants to improve your health, or that has someone in your family or around your friends that you know that they might be influenced by this, yabo, and you want to do it. Ka shy, and you think you're abantu bazothini. I think just attend the meetings.
Okay.
because it starts there. Attendance meetings, when you get an invite from someone, but no, we're having a Herbalife event, go so go till at this place, just attend the meeting. Ujonge lando yenziwayo phayana. Right? Jonga lando yenziwayo phayana, and then just continuously attend meetings, continue attending meetings. I think it's awudingena apha, otherwise yonke into eqalwayo ka ufese uqale so ne energy ne uzoyiqala kancinci, uzoyiqala usoyika, uzayiqala ushaya unenhloni, and the moment uqala uzathi uhamba uqomba ndifuna uyiphinda because you want to improve from lando buyenza ngoba uqala mhlawumbe uzivile uthe xa uthetha umane uthinta umane uqomba uyayifuna kwesibini uphinde uyenze, and la fear ayizohamba, it's always going to be there. But the more you do it, the better. The more you do it, the better.
Okay guys, nisvele from uBhudluzuko himself. Isikangaru yi-public speaker kodwa bethe qane akekho good kwelo cala elo. Bathini noma le interview ngathi serious. Maka simkhulu igazi kanye. Maka sponsor favorite. Maka manje ngathi yazepha eqaleni. Maka sponsor. To close this interview, sacela uBhudluzuko asibonise i-OOTD yakhe. Please, the stage is yours. The outfit of the day. Outfit of the day, yes.
Okay. All right. A few days back, Graaff-Reinet. And then when I was in Graaff-Reinet, I had my beard and
Okay.
So because I told him that I'm attending a big event in Mthatha. So the haircut, especially done at Graaff-Reinet.
All right.
It was Khaled Shangweni.
Ewe.
Okay, I'm old school, right?
Ithi
I'm having my Converse.
It is so. Yes.
This is rare, guys. This is not an old Purugos Gavaswayo. This is
That's a frigid.
Yeah, so this is.
Ngiyazile.
Yeah. So this is Chinese Fago Frigi, and this is my golf shirt. In a box where it's an old khaki golf shirt, and the haircut.
Oh.
Graaff-Reinet, the haircut. Graaff-Reinet. Thank you.
Ndiyabulela bamfutami, ndiyabulela. Eqinisa ke sani haircut. Caba ke zifinyana phana Graaff-Reinet haircut ezinhlwempu. Cela zeniye guys. Enkosi kakhulu butami. Ndiyabulela. Thank you so much. And guys, love you all.